Welcome to Kensium, your trusted partner in digital transformation. With offices across the globe and over 500 clients, Kensium empowers businesses through cutting-edge, integrated e-commerce solutions. Our mission is to simplify digital commerce, helping businesses of all sizes excel through seamless ERP integrated e-commerce platforms. From consulting to full-stack development, digital marketing, and ERP integrations, we offer tailored solutions that drive growth and efficiency. On our channel, you'll get exclusive insights into digital transformation, industry trends, and real-world case studies that demonstrate the power of unified commerce. Our clients trust us to deliver results, achieving measurable success through our strategic, innovative approach. From tech tips to success stories, we bring you everything you need to stay ahead in the fast-paced world of e-commerce. Subscribe now and join the Kensium community for the latest updates, insights, and strategies that will help your business thrive.